Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing well at home. Welcome back to my class. So today we will be revising fourth lesson, Pinocchio. Pinocchio. Yes, let us see. Many years ago in Italy lived a poor carpenter called Geppetto. He had no wife and no children. He was very lonely. The carpenter is a person who makes chairs, tables, and other things from wood. Okay, so the carpenter name is Geppetto. He is not having wife and no children. He is alone. He is single. So one day he made a toy out of a piece of wood. It looked like a real boy. He called him Pinocchio. As you can see here, Geppetto the carpenter made a toy out of a piece of wood. It is looking like a real boy, right? And his name is Pinocchio. Now Geppetto said, "You will be my son." Then he kissed the wooden boy on the cheek. To Geppetto's surprise, the wooden boy blinked his eyes and jumped up. He tapped Geppetto on the nose, jumped down from the table and ran out of the door. Here tapped is nothing but hitting gently. Who hit here? Yes, Pinocchio hit or tapped Geppetto on the nose. And suddenly he went down, jumped down, and he ran out of the door. "Pinocchio, come back!" called Geppetto, running after him. Who called? Pinocchio? Yes, Geppetto called him. Suddenly Pinocchio bumped into a policeman. "Help! He's chasing me!" cried Pinocchio as the policeman caught him. The policeman let Pinocchio go home, but he took Geppetto to the police station. So what happened, children, here? As he started moving out of the door, Pinocchio said, just bumped to the policeman. Bumped is nothing but ran into him because he was not looking. Suddenly, he bumped to the policeman and he started crying. Who started crying? Pinocchio started crying and said to the policeman that this Geppetto is chasing me. So Geppetto came to the policeman and policeman caught to Geppetto and left to the Pinocchio. Then after going home, Pinocchio sat down near the fire. Suddenly a fairy appeared. She said, "Listen to your father. He loves you. He'll take care of you." Then what happened? Geppetto went to the police station and he came back. Pinocchio came back to his house and he sat down near the fire. Then suddenly one fairy came and she said that you have to listen to your father. He loves you so much and he will take care of you. Then Pinocchio said to the fairy, "Go away." He said very badly. Then soon after this, Pinocchio fell fast asleep. When he woke up, he saw that the fire had burned his feet. He was very frightened. When Geppetto came home, he saw Pinocchio's feet. Now what happened here? Pinocchio was feeling very sleepy, so he slept. And when he woke up, he saw that the fire had caught one of his feet, burnt his feet. Then he was very frightened. And Geppetto came home. He saw Pinocchio's feet. "My poor child," Geppetto cried. "Don't worry, I will make you new feet. I will also sell my coat to buy you an ABC book so you can go to school." Geppetto cried by saying, "My poor child, don't worry, I will make for you a new feet and I will buy a ABC book for you and I will sell my coat so that you can go to school." Then Geppetto made a new feet for Pinocchio. Then he dressed Pinocchio in bright new clothes and said, "Now my child, it's time for school." Geppetto made new feet for Pinocchio and brought new clothes also. Now Pinocchio is ready to go to school. But on his way to school, Pinocchio stopped to look at a puppet show. A puppet show is nothing but a toy in the shape of an animal or person that can be moved with strings. Okay, like this. String is nothing but this one. Okay, it is called a puppet. So Pinocchio, while going to school, he stopped and he went to see the puppet show. Come on and join us, the puppets called out to him. So Pinocchio joined them and danced with them. At the end of the show, the puppet master gave him 5 gold coins. Give these to your father, he said. Puppet master was making a show, and there Pinocchio went. And at the end of the show, Puppet master gave to Pinocchio 5 gold coins, and he said that give to your father. Then 2 thieves saw the puppet master give the coins to Pinocchio. They tried to steal it from him, but Pinocchio ran and ran. When he stopped, he saw that he was lost. He lost the 5 gold coins. Then once again the fairy came before him. She walked home with him. Did you go to school today, Pinocchio? She asked. Then Pinocchio said, oh yes. But Pinocchio lied. Ping! Pinocchio's wooden nose suddenly grew a little longer. So whenever he says something wrong, his nose will be increasing. Okay? His nose will be growing. Then, you went to the puppet show, didn't you? Asked the fairy. Now fairy was very clever. Fairy knows everything that he is telling lie. Then what happened? Whenever he say lie, his nose will be growing up. Then, no, lied Pinocchio again. Ping! Pinocchio's wooden nose grew even longer. Now he began to cry. Now Pinocchio started beginning to cry now. Why he was crying? Because his nose was grew. Right? Next, do not tell lies, said the fairy. Every time you tell a lie, your nose will grow longer. Listen to your father and always tell the truth. Pinocchio promised that he would. The fairy then made his nose small again. Then what happened? Fairy said to Pinocchio that whenever you say lie, your nose will grow longer and longer. So you have to listen to your father always and you have to say the truth, said fairy to the Pinocchio. Then Pinocchio promised that, okay, I will say the truth. Then fairy made his nose very small. When Pinocchio got home, he ran up to Geppetto. I promise to be good father, said Pinocchio as he hugged Geppetto. So Geppetto was very happy. And suddenly Pinocchio was not a wooden toy anymore. He became a real boy. Geppetto cried with delight. Delight is nothing but happiness. So we hope Pinocchio kept his promise and never lied again. Okay, so that was the story, children, and based on that you have to answer the questions. Alright, so that we will be seeing in the next video. So till then, take care. Bye-bye.